Merrick Bank Credit Card Review 2025. Is it the right card for you? You won't believe how secured and unsecured credit cards have improved in 2025. Merrick Bank promises options for building or rebuilding credit, reasonable fees, and wide acceptance, but is it the right card for you? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit cards for rebuilding credit are limited and high costs. Merrick Bank offers both secured and unsecured cards, reporting to all three major credit bureaus, helping users improve scores responsibly. One major advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see easy application processes, instant decision notifications, and reasonable starting limits based on your financial profile. Some cards even offer cashback rewards on eligible purchases. The card also provides free credit score monitoring, fraud protection, and access to online account management, giving users control over their financial health. However, there are cons. Annual fees may apply, especially for secured cards. Interest rates can be higher than prime credit cards, so carrying a balance isn't ideal. Rewards and perks are limited compared to premium cards. In conclusion, Merrick Bank credit cards in 2025 are suitable for those looking to build or rebuild credit with responsible management. While fees and interest rates should be considered, the accessibility, credit reporting, and optional rewards make it a solid choice for individuals aiming to establish a stronger financial foundation.